Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm back with these mini twists. Today's Tuesday, so it's exactly 2 weeks today since I put them in. I just put them in some twists yesterday. I feel like it looks really crazy, but believe me, trust in me, it looked so cute on Sunday. I looked so cute. I had an updo, and it looked really cute. So yeah, I was just really busy yesterday, so I just put my hair in 3 flat twists, and my scalp is literally like screaming to be washed. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my scalp is calling out to me. Not random twist, but yeah. Can you guys see? Like, I mean, it doesn't look that dirty in camera, but in my spirit it feels really dirty, so I'm gonna wash it. Let's jump into the rest of the video, and I'm going to show you guys the products I use to wash. This is the first wash since I put them in, by the way. Definitely, if you haven't seen my mini twist video, do watch it first. It'll give you a little bit of an insight and answer a few questions that you might have. So yeah, let's jump right in. Oh, Lord of mercy. So I'm just going to start off by creating 6 loose braids. You guys already know that I struggle with the concept of loose braids, but these braids are just to ensure that my twists don't unravel as I wash the hair. So yeah. For my cleanser, I'm going to be using the Care Thermal Wonder Cream Cleansing Shampoo. I just picked it up because it was there, and I'm actually going to dilute the shampoo. I didn't need to because my shampoo is thin enough, but if you do have a thicker shampoo, this would be the best thing to do, is just to dilute it with a little bit of water. So I've already saturated my hair with some water, so I can go in. I actually rinsed my hair with warm water to open up my cuticles before I began shampooing. As you guys can see, I'm really focusing on my scalp just because it's been itchy, and of course I usually wash my hair every week, and it's actually been 2 weeks since my last wash, so it felt like it was on fire. Yeah. So after shampooing, I just rinsed out the shampoo, and then I came back to apply a deep conditioner. As you guys can see, the shampoo worked really well. I really like it. It's my first time using it, and my scalp felt clean. So I went back in with my Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil Line, the deep conditioner. If you missed my review on that, I'll definitely link it in the cards, but I love it. You drive me crazy, yo. Don't keep me waiting. You see my jolly. I made sure to focus on my ends, as that's the part that gets the driest with my twist being out. And then I just secured my sections and placed my hair under a plastic bag. Coming back, baby, it's sweetie, bye. Moko Benny, your son. I kept the bag on for about 40 minutes, and then I rinsed it out and followed it up with the same Shea Moisture Mafura Lime conditioner, which I've been using as a leave-in, and a little bit goes a long way, so I used 2 pumps for each half of my head. Don't keep me waiting. You see my jolly. Keep me waiting. And that's it, guys. So yeah, that's all I did, and that's all I do, and this is really the best way to avoid frizz as well as tangling in your roots and your ends. Hey guys, so my hair is not as wet anymore. It's obviously still damp, but I just put this on for about 10 minutes just to get most of like the drip out. And now, this is what it's looking like. Okay. I'm gonna go in with some of my Cantu, which is what I originally twisted my hair with, along with my whipped shea butter from Wild Seed. These are the two products I initially used to twist my hair, so I'm just going to apply some of this and some of this to seal it all in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this back on so that the hair dries flat, or the flyaways dry flat to the hair or to the twists. And then tomorrow tomorrow evening I'll wrap it to stretch it, and I'll also film that for you guys so that you see how I do that. So yeah, let's take it down section by section.
Oh Lord of mercy, did I do? Put my all into you, and you know meant it to me. If your feelings ever change, just let me know. I tell you, say give me joy. Anything I go talk, it be lie. All the boys who move, that me want. For your love, I go break every law. I tell you, say give me joy. Anything I go talk, it be lie. All the boys who move, that me want. For your love, I go break every law. See I die away, and mommy won't cheat me, oh. Yeah, I die away, Missy, I die away. You drive me crazy, oh. Don't keep me waiting. Easy, my jolly, I die away. Medema kumanina bemawo. From what you skele, oh baby, oh dede, your love do me like juju. Medema kumani na bemawo. From what you skele, oh baby, oh dede, your love do me like. Mystery unsua mama say, oh do it with mama say, oh mama say. Mystery unsua mama say, oh do it with mama say. Oh, mama say, Lizzie, I die away, and mommy won't shoot me, oh, yeah, I die.